Good morning! Good morning! Hello, everyone. It's me, Maxi.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
How's everyone doing this morning? Hello! It's almost 11 a.m. in sunny California. And today, it's time to get back to the world of coding! That's right. We have a big coding session. Last time we did coding on the stream, we were doing UI. We're doing real-ass coding today. We'll be coding encounters today. Hell yeah, Dallas. Also, hello, Dallas. Hi, Dale. Hi, Chippy. And hi, Kitty. How's everyone doing this fine Wednesday? Me? Going gaga. Me, I'm doing pretty good. I had a pretty good day yesterday. I went on a mini date with my wifey. And, yeah, I had a pretty chill day yesterday, honestly. And a really productive morning! I got a bunch of work done today. Mostly preparing for today's stream so that we would not, you know, super lose time. Yo, hell yeah! I love that, Dale. No, really, Dallas? Oh, that's first off, I love that you knew that I would understand that, by the way. I know you will do great, Kitty. Also, we should definitely workshop the questions or the answers together if you want to. I wouldn't mind helping my wifey. The game for yesterday, it wasn't Lies of P. It was some freaking like the Soul Return trilogy or something. It was some sort of it was a game by Don't Nod, the creators of Until Dawn. Hi, Ronnie.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
How you doing today? Is it about vampires? Let me see. Okay. Games by Don't Nod. It was Banisher's Ghosts of New Eden. Yeah. It's a long ass name. It's also only on PS5 and Xbox X. And I'm like, alright, I guess I won't play it. Wait, what are the other Don't Nod games? Wait a minute! Don't Nod is not Until Dawn. Don't Nod is Life is Strange. Oh, is it on Steam? Sorry, I am so wrong. This is the company that did Life is Strange. They also did Remember Me. We'll see. We'll see if we have to get a PS5 this year. I mean, a Silent Hill 2 remake might actually be worth it. Although I would like to play the original first, honestly. Ooh, excuse me. Let me just yawn while muted. All right. Yeah, you're not wrong, Dallas. Kitty says I don't have much confidence in the remake. Why? What's wrong? Yeah, all the signs are gonna be in Comic Sans. Just like the way they were meant to be the entire time. But yeah, we're gonna have a fun coding stream today. I was told last time that the coding stream was strangely relaxing to listen to. So I hope today's stream will be equally, if not even more, relaxing. And without any further ado, it is time for us to dive right in, so get ready at the count of 3, 2, 1, boop! Hello, everyone!
Welcome back.
Welcome. Welcome.
How's everybody doing today? Alright, welcome. The name is Maxi, pronouns are they, them. I forgot music. Alright, so it's been a little while since the last time you saw the game. Oh, hi, Dops.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
Is that your background? No. This is the background is not official. I just stretched. The background is a background from Final Fantasy 1, Dawn of Souls for the GBA. I didn't have time to draw background, so I just used that. This is just a temporary background. So the things that I did to prepare for today is that I moved a bunch of the common commands, like using an item, passwords, and options on the side. And when you mouse over them, it tells you what they do. I will most likely be changing the mouse over window, because I kind of hate it. We'll figure that out. So welcome. Today, we're going to be coding an encounter with this little slime, who I am now calling the green jelly, because that way they can drop jelly beans, which I think it's much cuter than just slime balls. So, I'm gonna leave this like relatively big. Mostly because, let's be entirely honest, you don't need to see me typing code. He is full of beans. It's true, Chippy. It's so true. So, things that I have open, by the way. I have some tutorials for Twine open on the screen. And I did make this in Google presentations. Because I needed to show you like the flow of what combat looks like in this game. My God, why am I so yawning? I press the go live button and I start yawning nonstop. Okay, so this game, of course, is running on a modified version of the Iron Sworn system. So we have strong hits, weak hits, and misses, of course. But I have modified a bunch of other things. Yeah, no, these are just other tabs. Okay, listen. These are actually all just Twine forums, actually. So, I'm gonna tell you, no more balls dropping. Unfortunately not, Kenny. It's so true. Siska says, like any working class person, your brain enters energy saving as soon as you clock in. It is so true. Also, hi, Siskas.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
Also, yes, I yawned again. Also, Quad 109. Hell yeah, breasts are a curse. That's the thing I said once. So the hero dodge stands out to me. Alright, so I will explain that in a moment. Somebody curse me. Alright, Siska, I hereby cast the curse of being funny onto you. You get +1 on your next move to be funny. It's actually ongoing until you clear the curse. So what is the hero dodge? I'm gonna explain it later, but I want there to be a little bit more gameplay than just you rolling dice. So, in weak hits and misses, when the enemy attacks, you are given a contextual chance to lower the damage that is coming in. By picking an option on what your character does, whether they dodge to a side or not, whether they dodge, they duck, or they block. And that can lower the damage that you have coming in if you do it correctly. So it basically what I'm channeling, I'm making it like Dark Souls, where like half of learning Dark Souls is learning when to dodge, when to block, when to duck, or if it's Elden Ring, when to jump. And I want to have that because that adds just a little bit more gameplay, a little bit more satisfaction to players. I want it to be more than just like I got a weak hit, so I am dealt damage too, and then I get loot. Instead, I want you to have the chance to learn the monsters, to learn the encounter, to learn that, hey, when the slime does this attack, you want to just dodge to the side. Any other option has you taking the full damage. And I'm like, you know what? I feel like that would be fun. It adds an extra little layer of players learning the game. The way that I'm tackling Fair Fantasia is that this game is basically a little box full of toys and treats. And I think that the average person who plays this game is gonna open the box and be like, ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's that? Hey, what the hell? This is full of monsters. Anyways, and I feel like the journey of discovery, the journey of seeing what things do and how they behave is the enjoyment for the players. The opening of the box and seeing the toys inside. So I want there to be lots of toys and things for you to play with. And I was trying to figure out how to do 2 specific things without having to hand code everything. So I've come up with 2 variables to making the biggest chunk over here easier to code. I will explain that later. So first and foremost, by the way, Kitty says average Fair Foundation of players start singing "What's This?" Yeah, there you go. Dallas is the obligatory teeth-crunching hard candy in the chocolate box. There you go, you got it. Let me really quickly just go and open the Pomodoro timer. So if you would like to work alongside me, we'll be focusing on 25-minute chunks. And that's it. Let me sneeze and then we'll start working. I understand that this metaphor is a little bit dead because of the movie Forrest Gump, but I do think that, you know, box of chocolate design is something that I particularly like. You know, you open up the box of chocolates and you don't know what you're gonna get. And I kind of like that. I kind of like that sense of discovery of like learning which chocolate is what, you know? So we're gonna be focusing at the count of 3, 2, 1. Boop. All right, so I'm gonna leave this open. When is the audible sneeze returning? Whenever I don't catch it. Whenever I don't catch it when I sneeze. All audible sneezes are errors, by the way. Actually, all the coding is happening over by where the Moogle is at. So let me just really quickly. I'm gonna close. I should not need to mess around with this. I'm gonna make a new passage. We're gonna put it like over here. Yeah. Chippy says sneezes are Patreon only, dude. I go back to Patreon just for this. Let's call it Jelly Encounter. Jelly Encounter. We're gonna paste all the code we were using before, and we're gonna make the story start here so we can just test it from here, okay? So if we open from here, boom, everything looks exactly the same. Perfect, magnifique, everything works. I like it, okay. We'll be fidgeting with this. Oh my god, Kitty. Kitty says, unlike me, I've been memorizing my favorite candy by a certain brand since childhood, so I can identify it right away. Isn't it like caramel? Isn't it like chocolate and caramel, Kitty? I feel like you've told me this. So before I start breaking up, I'm gonna make you smaller for a second so you can see what I'm doing over here. So, the first thing we need to do is that we need to figure out is marshmallow and caramel. Yeah, that sounds delicious actually. So, over here in this window, in Twine, we can basically like all of the little notes in the map are actually just visibly here. Some people hate this. I think it's perfectly fine. All right, so Dallas says, do tooltips really make sense with tablets and TVs? I'm not designing this game to be played with tablets. I'm saying this right now. I could just go away with tooltips. We'll see. Also, hi, Valentine.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
It is currently not being designed for... It is not currently being designed for, for mobile. But I mean, if you're playing on TV, I mean, like, I feel like you could just, you know, you're clearly still controlling it with the mouse. So what are the encounters that we need for this? So we need a monster approaches. So let me just I hit the window. Let me go over here. Let's just kind of like escape, like just the word that I'm looking for is switchboard when. Oh my god. I was thinking, I think there's an app that I can use to wrap this game into an executable, so you could just launch it. That's something I could do, but we can worry about that later. So, I would like to outline. That is the word that I'm looking for. Let's do a bunch of outlining. Okay, so this is. Let's rename you to Jelly Encounter Start just for now. And so this is the one that's gonna say, maybe actually even just go to the code down here. Where is the code? Is it literally just text box? Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna grab all of this. And oh, actually, I need the... well, do I even need... do I want the text to be highlighted for this? Let's see. So you can see the preview of what I'm literally working on right now, okay? So, oh, there should be no NPC dialogue for this. Let me go and find the NPC dialogue real quick. Where the hell is it? Where did I put it? There you go. Okay, you're gone. We don't need you for this entire exercise. Go right ahead, Valentine. What are the good news? Oh my god. You got a binder, dude. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. Oh my freaking god. Let's go. Bingo. Bingo. That's exciting. Congrats. Alright, so if we reopen the thingy now, there's now no dialogue box anymore. Nobody's talking. Alright, so let me reopen that because I closed it by mistake. One last cursed shirt to bind them all. There we go. So there's now no option here. So I'm gonna add the text that goes down here. The text is just gonna say a slime approaches. A green jelly approaches. So it would look like a green jelly approaches. I wonder if I almost would like to have the text be like stylized. It would be cute, wouldn't it? It would be really cute, wouldn't it? It would be really cute. I wonder if how much work would it be? Let me just see. How much work would it be to stylize the text? As opposed to a binder full of Yu-Gi-Oh cards, of course. How dare you, Siska? Alright, so how do I a green jelly. So the way that you make a little hook, and then you enchant the hook with the color that you want. The color, there you go. I'm gonna grab this little sample that I already saved. We're gonna put it here. I'm gonna paste the color that I saved on my clipboard without telling any of y'all's. And if we reload the page now it actually is. Now it's colored. And it's actually the color of the slime. Yeah, I mean, like, thankfully, since this has to be programmed per enemy basis, we could definitely have other enemies have different, like, verbs and stuff. I'm mostly using X enemy approaches because I love Dragon Quest, so that's it. That's the reason. How do I make text builded? Can I make you? Where's the text? The text. I'm gonna make you a bold. Does it look better? Should I make it all caps? Would that be better? Would that make it really pop? I don't know. So we have like basic text. Let me actually show you all so you can all see. So how do you feel about... Okay, so regular text. Sorry. I just lost the other one, huh? Regular text, bold, and capitalized. I don't know. I could just underline it. I might just underline it. I'm not entirely sure how to like make that look better, but interesting. I could make it, yeah, I could make it all CSS, yeah. What if it was just all caps? All caps, but then no. We were thinking of not doing color text. Well, okay. So we were not gonna do color text for focuses. So, or we weren't gonna have multiple color text in the same passage to aid with color blindness. But this is really just more for style. This is just more for style points. And also, I would like it to be the same color as the enemy's main color, so you can be like, oh, it's that guy, you know? Like, oh, it's that guy. It's that little guy over there. Or I mean, like, I realize actually, why is it even capitalized? Like, it's not a name. It's not the green jelly. It's just a green jelly. I even have a. It shouldn't be capitalized now that I think about it. It's probably good enough. Good enough. A green jelly approaches. Let's leave it at this for now. All right, so the fight begins with this. A green jelly approaches. All right, so your command options for this are. Let me just grab you. Okay, so your options are fight or run. The run icon, of course, is gonna be a person running. People in chat, how do we feel? Run or flee? How do we feel about that? How do we feel about run or flee? Also, I think there's not supposed to be a space. I'm not supposed to have a space between these two guys. Scarper? How dare you? Abscond? Whoever says abscond first is getting insta-banned, by the way. Make for the hills. Flee implies inherent danger. I mean, like, the other option is fighting. I guess run might be fine. Fight and run. Okay. 23 skidoo. Skedaddle. Alright, you're all being way too cute, by the way. Alright, so we have our two options right here. We have commands on the side. Who cares? It's fine. So, clearly, always have to lead. Whoever says abscond will need to abscond. It's true. There you go. Chippy's got it. So, it's gonna be jelly, green jelly, fight, and the other one leads to green jelly, flee. There we go. Time to go, Chippito. I mean, okay, Chippy did not say it in bad faith, though. Okay, listen now. Chippy, get behind me. Alright, so this is created. Oh, you can't even see, actually. Alright, let me actually go find. Let me grab you. Shrink. I said grab you. No. Shrink you. Move you over here. Alright, so you can see now we have a little map over here on this away. Siska says, bad faith, good faith, my all-seeing eye looks past your religion. How dare you? How absolutely dare you? Where do I put this? I'm gonna just put the slime up here, okay? Listen. The slime lips up here for now. While I move these guys down, so just make it easier for you guys to see, okay? So, when you encounter the slime, you're given the choice to fight or flee. We're not gonna worry about coding fleeing today. It should literally be pretty much the same goddamn thing, but first, when you fight, let me bring. There have so many windows that I need to have open. Okay, so we have the whole action score screen. So let's immediately just make that. You select to fight. Let me go and open you again. We go back over here. So in the actual text box, is there a line break in here? Hold up, is there a line break in here? There is no line break, right? You would not do me dirty like this, right? There isn't. Okay, thank God. Okay. Perfect. Magnifique. Okay, so. A green jelly approaches. Perfect. Who cares? Okay, so now, the way that I envision this to work, by the way. I have so many notes, but I'm juggling so many pieces of paper. It might be easier for me to just take it slow. Okay, so. This entire section is about figuring out your action score. I'm not gonna write it out just now. Let's just literally, you know, ready yourself. Follow these steps And we're gonna have like, oh, I need the emoji actually. We're gonna grab you. Give me the number 1. Give me the number 2. I hope these emojis work now that I think about it. This might actually be too many lines, but whatever, it's fine. Oh my god, Dallas. Do this first. Then do this. Then do this. Okay. So what does it look like? This is definitely way too big and the numbers do not work. Perfect. That is good to know. That is good to know. So how does this end? So this segment here, you add up numbers and you roll a d6 and that gives you your action score. Your action score is what ultimately decides whether you succeed or fail. Isn't there OL for order lists? There probably is. There probably is. In fact, Dallas, I see the button literally in front of me right now. So let's do that just now. Oh, so literally just type it out? Okay. Okay, what about this then? I'm not entirely sure what's not looking correctly, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, go back over here. I don't know why. Does it have to be a space? Is that what it is? No. You know what? We'll figure this out later. We have to figure out the language on how this is supposed to look anyway, but whatever, it's fine. Ready yourself. Come up with your action score. Then strive. Strive is the command for literally just being ready to do a thing. So let's just... There's really only one command here. I see what you mean, yeah. So the emoji for striving is just the triumph face. And it's called strive. There we go. Have I been editing the wrong one this whole time? Oh, classic Maxi. Okay. It's fine. I'm gonna go back over here. Classic. Classic Maxi. Classic Maxi, by the way. That's as far as you're gonna go, huh? That's fine. Strive, I thought we were playing Guilty Gear tomorrow. Listen now, kidding. Listen now, you little punk. Alright, so I'm gonna go back here. I have to literally rewrite the slime approaches, but whatever's fine. A green jelly approaches. Kids, remember to always check if you're actually typing on the correct layer, by the way. Always double check. There you go. Now you should look better now. There you go. We're back to it looking the way it was supposed to look. Perfect. Now we're gonna cut back over here. So when you select fight, it will go to the other screen. Boom. Ready yourself, come up with your action score, and then strive. Boom. We're gonna just click this button. That'll take us to the next action thingy. So fight takes us to it takes us to the resolution phase. Alright, thank you. So over here are you? Oh, that is strive and strike are very similar. They might be confusing. Yeah, that's fair. Listen now, you little punk. What can I say? I'm old. I'm old. Yeah, I mean, Dallas makes an interesting point about how it might be a little bit similar, but we're just gonna keep going for now. So, green jelly fight. That leads you to, strive. Just for now, I just need to have, I just need to have this now. We'll see if we keep it later, we'll see. So now we're in green jelly strive. So after you, as you can see from the chart on the screen, the game asks you if your action score exceeds a certain number of dice. Now you may be wondering, Maxi, will these numbers be randomly selected? No! The game will not actually roll the dice for you. The monsters, see, here's what makes this game fun, okay? I am able to set monsters' difficulty to a particular level by just telling you that they roll a certain range of numbers. So for instance, the green slime, I'm telling you right now, the green slime is a really easy, it's the first enemy you fight. The easiest enemy in the whole game. It will either, its challenge die will either be a 2 and a 2, a 2 and a 3, or a 2 and a 4, I think. Those are the 3 possible outcomes for this slime. So what this means is that this guy will not scale with you. The thing with Ironsworn, and what I like about Ironsworn, is that, you know, difficulty is basically, things are always tough for your character. They will never get easier. But for a game like this, which is basically, you know, a JRPG, where you eventually have to out-level enemies, and, you know, there's gear in this game, there's buffs in this game, we have certain enemies at a specific difficulty rank. So the slime of the jelly will always be the easiest monster in the whole game. If none of that makes sense, don't worry about it. So let's go over immediately over here to the resolution. Are you supposed to be separated? No, you're not. Okay. So the 3 options are, give me 2 check marks, please. Then give me, now the way they have it is both. Both, which goes towards, strong hit. I guess I could. No. I should just go towards, like, strong hit, honestly. It should be, green jelly, strong hit. There's a lot about D20 math that has been done on the Pathfinder 2nd edition end, which is a similar design philosophy with scaling that may be worth looking into. Maybe. Again, like, my goal right now is to get this game out so people can tell me whether it's good or bad. Whether people can tell me whether it sucks. So this is gonna be called just one, I think. I believe it's just one. And then the final one is called neither. And that takes you to green jelly. Actually, I realized this is actually this is immediately part of the stuff that I was already pre-coding. Okay, yeah, if you find an example, definitely let me know. Okay, so this is gonna be really hard to explain, but you're just gonna have to listen to me, okay? So, just one takes you to green jelly, weak hit. I might actually change your names, actually. Green jelly attacks, and the other one leads to green jelly rewards. There you go. Victory? Let's go with victory instead. And now the other one also leads to the same outcome, but it does one thing differently. Now, I have to figure out how to do variables in like 2 seconds, but we'll get there first, okay? So, after you submit your action score, you end up here, and the game is gonna ask you. Let me actually literally type it in. Let me actually go to the green jelly real quick. I need to grab something. I need to grab its color. I'm gonna grab the little jelly's color real quick. Okay, then now we go to Strive. We go back over here. The green jelly comes at you with a X and a Y. We will figure this out later, okay? Does your action score exceed X? Is that how you type exceed? I don't think that's how you type exceed. How do you type exceed? Oh, it's a C instead. Oh, it's the C. Okay. I don't know how to spell. Does your action score exceed both one or neither of the results? Does your action score exceed both one or neither of the results? Think of the game. Kinney? There has to be a line break here for sure. Okay. Yeah, I think it has to be exceed. I prefer exceed. But again, we can worry about phrasing later. So, then the player just, selects what option matches for them. It's like, oh, if the monster comes at me with a 2 and a 3 and my action score is 4, I exceed both of them. Man, that was really fast 25 minutes. All right, I'm gonna get up and stretch. So, let me walk you through how the fight is supposed to go after this, okay? So, if your character scored a strong hit, meaning that their action score is higher than both of the challenge dice that the monster supplied, in that case, you get a strong hit, which means that you basically overpower the enemy and you get the most rewards and you don't take any damage. It's incredibly good. It's overall better, but it's going to be very rare at the beginning of the game, especially even against weak enemies, because you are going to start the game without gear that gives you bonuses, and likely without the skills you need to effectively do combat leveled up. It is likely most players will begin with a +1 to their preferred weapon type, but it is incredibly unlikely that you will have that weapon available to you at the very beginning. At the beginning of the game, by the way, I'm stretching this whole time, by the way. I'm on my feet. I'm reaching to the ceiling. I'm T-posing. You know how it goes. I'm drawing circles. Are we back to D6 plus modifier versus 2D20 or 2D10? Okay, so we are back to it being... So the thing is that, the challenge dice for the enemies, they are D10s in spirit, but again, they are not rolled. What I was saying earlier is that, the slime only has three possible difficulties. It's either 2 and 2, 2 and 3, or 2 and 4, I think. Those are the only 3 outcomes the slime will ever have. The slime will never come at you with a 9 and a 9, or a 10 and a 10. This allows me to scale enemy difficulty throughout the game. And yes, that means that at some point, there will be enemies who have higher than 10 as their challenge difficulty. As players scale in power, so will enemies scale in power. That, to me, that just makes sense. So it is not a D20, it is 2 D10s. I have gone back on that. It just made things a lot easier. I was doing something like Morkborg's Solitary Defilement, where you roll 2 D20s instead. And the math... Oh, I love that. But the thing is that, again, this entire time I've spent the entire time I was traveling in Oregon, I was writing down notes in my notebook. I was thinking the entire time, and I'm like, how can I make this as easy as possible? I want this to be the easiest possible game for anyone to possibly play, while still maintaining depth, of course. And I'm like, asking somebody to roll 2d20s and add numbers to both the d20s is absolutely unacceptable. Yeah, so, and fun fact, so, by modifying the way that I'm doing the dice system, it gives me a few more levers to work with. So for instance, your character's action die is usually a d6 unless something tells you otherwise. For instance, if you attack, if you want to roll a skill, but you don't have the weapon for that skill, your action die becomes a d4. Because you are ill-equipped, unprepared. And this means that I can also move it the other way. I can have abilities that give you allow your character to roll a d8 instead, or something like that. So again, there's a little bit of crunch here, and I like that. You know, I want it to be crunch, but there has to be like intuitiveness to the design. Breathe, Maxi. All right. Where am I? Okay, so I would like. Let me hide the screen for a second. Twine, Harlow, how to set a variable with a click. Link text, set blank to blank, and then go to okay, perfect. Again, the thing that I love about working on Twine is that all the answers have been figured out. So why do I need to set a variable? Welcome to the world of coding, by the way. I need to make it. So, okay, we're going back to the chart. We're going back to the chart, okay? So, I have notes here. So, you will notice. Oh, there's my mouse. Okay, so, let me walk you through what's happening here after I turn the timer on. So, if you score a strong hit, ta-da! You win. You get a bunch of spoils. You get to pick 3 rewards from the list. Done. You can pick experience 3 times. You can pick loot 3 times, or you can do a combination. You're done. You're done. A strong hit is the easiest one to code. Weak hit. The enemy gets to attack you once. There's a whole interaction here. And if you are not dead, you get some spoils. Now, miss is like a weak hit, except it's worse. Instead of just the enemy hits you once, the enemy attacks you twice. So instead of literally manually coding every single step along the way, I'm gonna have a variable that checks. Okay, it's gonna check if you scored a miss. It's gonna make you go through this segment twice. Instead of literally having to hand code everything, I'm gonna create a variable, and this will all make more sense later, okay? Just trust me. Dude, just trust me. Okay, so I need to make it so that you guys have a variable. So now let me see. The link text, I want it to be neither. This is the link text. The link is gonna be this. I have to also change my quotation marks. That's the thing that I learned the hard way, by the way. And it will go to green jelly attacks, and it will set the variable. It will set the variable hit. It will set the variable hit to, what did I write over here? It will set it to miss. Okay. It will set the variable known as hit that I just created to miss. Do I have to do quotation marks for variables like that? Let me double check these variables over here. Okay, it has to be quotation marked. Okay. Perfect. Magnifique. Okay, so we're gonna change it to miss. Perfect. So now, this guy here, in theory, should now work just as the one that I put in before. We just changed the code to look different. Okay, so my question is, does this work? No. Buddy, I have a question, okay? Why do you not work? Okay, so something has broken. Something broke? Okay, something has broken. Let's look at the notes that I have over here. Okay. I mean, I could also do like a true or false, I guess. Okay, so what if we have... It sets the variable miss to true, okay? How about... Does that not break the game? It still breaks the game. So it is not the variable itself, it's something else that's breaking the screen. Okay? So what is the problem here? Is it this? Wow! Wow! I love. The VTuber is covering the code? Okay. You know what, Dailies, you make a fair point. Let me adjust the window. Let me grab the... I'm gonna make it bigger, so y'all can see. I'm gonna just like put it like... Maybe not as big. Something like this. Let's go with this instead, okay? So a part of it is getting cut off. That's just life. What if I made it like... Dude, are you showing off your naked code on stream? Dude, it's so naked. Dude, it's very cold in here. Okay, so if we click on neither, one error. There can't be hit to the left of miss. Excuse you? Okay, what if we just make it true, okay? Okay, let's change the code format here. We'll make the code miss to true, okay? Does that work? Okay. So now okay. So we have figured one thing out. Now, I need to go over here. I am going to change the other one as well, okay? Although, I guess, do I need to? Yes, I need it for later. That's right, I need it for later. Are you sure? Okay, let's see if Dailies is correct. And I'm gonna take off the original one too, so it just looks consistent. Okay, never mind. Thank you, Dailies. Thank you, Dailies. Okay, so now that works. So now we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna make the one above it the exact same way. Just one, and it will go to it will set hit to weak, and it will still go to the green jelly attacks. So let me move these guys closer. We're gonna take off this original one here. That one goes away. We're gonna go this away, and now this... I can't go to the passage green jelly attacks because it doesn't exist. Excuse me? Did I delete the passage by mistake? Go to green jelly attacks. Okay, it's fine, because all I gotta do is just make a passage that's called green jelly attacks. It's fine. Green jelly attacks. There you go. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Can we now continue the game? Perfect. So this has the string miss. Perfect. Now let's go. We're gonna go over here. I'm gonna test it again. I want to see if I click on just one, it has the string weak. Perfect. The code is happening, by the way. Code is absolutely happening. We do be coding now. Hi, Melty.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
How you doing today, Melty? Yeah, I'm coding. Welcome to the world of code. Let's just put you over here, put you over here. Okay, so green jelly attacks. The way that this is gonna work, I do realize. Let me look at my chart again. So after you go to the enemy attack, it tells you what the enemy does, and then you have a chance to do things, okay? Hell yeah! Oh my god, that's exciting! Working on a new story today and woke up early, let's go. Thank you! I'm having a lovely day. My brain is melting. But when is that not the case though, huh? Okay, so I've just made green jelly attacks into a copy. For reasons. Now, I think there has to be a breakpoint. So, I do want the jelly to have have a few attacks. So I think the way that it's gonna work instead of it doesn't just go to the green jelly attacks. It goes to one of the green jelly attacks. Now, how can I have a page here on how to make a place go to multiple links? There you go. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Magnifique. So we're gonna go back to green jelly strive. I am also, just to make things easier on me, I'm gonna make a passage for the different green jelly attacks, by the way. So let's give the green jelly chat, by the way. Get ready to come up with attacks for the slime, by the way. I'm actually gonna have this slime. Look at the slime on the screen. Think of like attacks that this guy could do in battle. Okay, go. So this is gonna be. You are green jelly. Looking him up. Amoeba terminology. How dare you? Attacks 1. Absorb. Did I not rename it? Oh my. Okay, there you go. You have been renamed. You've been struck by a smooth renamed criminal. All right. So, extrude. Excuse me. Flail. Jiggle. Slam. I'm gonna have to like cut. Okay, I'm gonna copy all of you. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna just like write the first one as a template. As a template. So, this little fella, okay? This little fella. We're gonna just write an attack, okay? So let's go with the green jelly. The green jelly. Let's go with I want to do like a classic tackle. I want to do like a classic tackle. Although flail is kind of cute though. You know what? The green jelly jiggles excitedly, as though ready to pounce on you. What do you do? The green jelly jiggles excitedly as though ready to pounce on you. What do you do? What do you do? And now the options will now be. I'm gonna have to like. This is so hard to understand, but it's fine, okay? So, let me just break up all this code for like 2 seconds, okay? So, the options here. So, the options in combat like this are most usually going to be, like, dodge to the right, dodge to the left, duck, jump, block, I guess. And sometimes there'll be correct answers, sometimes there'll be wrong answers. Isn't that always the case, Maxi? Listen, I'm juggling so many balls right now. So, so there's gonna be basically a binary state of situations in which you take half damage and situations in which you take full damage. So I guess there'll be I need to go up with a better naming nomenclature for all these attacks, by the way, but whatever's fine. Thank you, Melte. This would be green jelly, attacks 1. This needs I need a different nomenclature for this, by the way. Completely different nomenclature, but whatever's fine. Fail, and we'll do a another version of this for success. That is too much text. But we have to begin somewhere, right? All right, so depending on what you do, you will end up at one of the on one of these. Perfect, magnifique. So your options are, we don't have to worry about any kind of like triggers, so I think we can just do this kind of although it might just be easier to do the link go to, honestly. Let's just do it like now, like this for now. Life is just easier if we do this, okay? So the green jelly jiggles excitedly as though ready to pounce on you. What do you do? And the options are usually going to be the stream is still alive? Okay. Okay. People in chat, please tell me, is the stream still alive? We're alive? We're alive? Okay. I put my computer to sleep for a second. That's not true. I actually I mistakenly pressed Windows key plus L, which locks the computer. Surprisingly enough, that did not end the stream. So I hope you all consider yourselves lucky tonight. So I'm gonna just completely walk away from the human fear of what I just experienced, and I'm just gonna, you know, move on with my life. This is by the way, this is dodge left. And we'll figure out where it takes you. Although I guess any dodging is good in this scenario. So we're gonna put in success. There we go. And I don't know why immediately the other one was deleted, but whatever, it's fine. I just want to check, what does the command look like? Okay, it says dodge left, dodge right. Perfect. Okay. That's better. That works for me. So, you go here, you go here, you go here, you go here. Okay, so now, dodge right, dodge left, dodge right. Maxi, why would you even bother with dodging left and dodging right? And that is because, you know, some enemies might, you know, it's just like in Dark Souls, man. You want to dodge away from the person's weapon. Like, it's really that simple. And then we have duck. Duck down. Jump up. Okay, and right now all these lead to success, but it's fine. So now you have a nice selection of I guess I could also add block. I could also add nah. There will also, by the way, there will also be there will be some context sensitive options, by the way. So for instance, you know, like in some scenarios there'll be unique options for that specific fight, you know. So it won't always just be these 4 options. Anyways, where was I? So I want jump up to be the first one. There you go. I want them to be in this order. Why? Because I think it looks cuter that way. That's literally all there is to it. The green jelly jiggles excitedly, as though ready to pounce on you. What do you do? Jump up, dodge left. There's 2 dodge lefts, by the way. That's hilarious. It is dodge right, by the way. There we go. Jump up, dodge left, dodge right, duck down. Perfect. Magnifique. Now, I'm telling you right now, fun fact. Can I just duplicate you? I can't, huh? So what does the failure state look like? Let me see if I can just make... So by the way, fun fact, when the jelly does its attack, you want to dodge the sides. Jumping or ducking will get you failure, by the way. Fail. Fail. So, yeah. Here is the rub, by the way. Failing these quick time events of sorts lead to you taking the bigger die damage, by the way. So, naturally... if you succeed in the case of the slime, you would take only 1d4 damage versus 1d6 in the case of the failure. So this is the jelly success. So we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna paste this. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go right here. The slime would be the green jelly. Jumps. Bounces towards you, but you manage to get out of the way. But you dodge. But you dodge. Bounces towards you. Bounces towards you, nearly falling right on top of you. The green jelly bounces high, nearly falling right on top of you. I need a what would be the phrasing here? I'm thinking of it's like your quick thinking has saved your bacon. I hate this phrasing, but I have to put something right now so we can keep on coding. Has saved your bacon. Instead of taking full damage, you only take 1d4. There we go. We're gonna make you bold. You only take 1d4. There we go. Now, the options for this, by the way, the options for these are going to be the game asks you whether you survive or fail. You only take no, you lose. You only lose 1d4 HP. Damn it, Siska. Instead of taking full damage, you only lose 1d4 HP. I'm gonna have to rephrase all of this, but it's fine. Have you survived? Do you survive? Do you survive this? What is the phrasing here? Do you survive this attack? And the options, of course, are yes or no. And how do I have them here? I have them as yes or no. Okay, yeah, perfect. So the emoji, by the way, is going to be a little sweating face, because I think that's cute. Yes. And this will go to green jelly, and that will be lesser spoils. Now this needs to check something specifically, but we'll get there, by the way. This needs to check something specific, but we'll get there. And the other option for this one is that you do not in fact survive it, which I want it to be like X. Let's go with like X. I want like the X eyes. Dead? No. Distress? What's the emoji that I'm looking for? I want the X eyes. I want the emoji of the person with the eyes who are an X. The eyes that are an X? Which emoji is it? Time to look through the list of emojis. You can't see me doing this, unfortunately. Unless the emoji looks different on Windows. Am I going to have to Google this emoji? I'm gonna have to Google this emoji. Okay, alright. Alright, that's life. Emoji, person with X for eyes. It's dizzy face? No way. It is the dizzy face. Okay, alright. Maxi, you need Windows so badly. Dude, one day I will earn the right to have Windows. So if we do this, the options are gonna be yes and no. And the other option will be, I think it's like ellipses, no. No. And that's it for the options here. You either survive or you don't. That's life. Yeah. Do you survive this attack? You know, if you say yes, you move on to the actual spoils. If you say no, kidding. If you say no, that's game over, baby. You go to the game over screen. Now, let me really quickly. I want to find my. Is it? Yeah, it's link go to. Okay, I might have to change all these links to link go to. Because I do think they look a little bit better than this mess that I already have up here. So I'm gonna have to change all these links later. Not now. Although Maxi, you said you were gonna do this later. You're doing it literally right now, Maxi. Yep. I'm a liar. I'm absolutely a liar. And this is literally just game over. There we go. Hey Maxi, what language am I using? I am coding this game in Twine, the interactive story engine of choice, Twine. Now, some might argue, Maxi, that doesn't actually fully answer the question. I am using the engine Harlow inside of Twine. Because of course, we put an engine inside of an engine so you can engine wind your engine. Dude, I love the stream getting better for no reason, by the way. All right, so now this should now work. What happened? Oh, you're red because there is no actual thing named that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Siska says, I love all the serious chatters who know what's going on, and then there's the clowns. I'm the clown. I'm the clown today. There you go. I've added the thing you asked for. Will you now stop being red? There we go. There we go. There we go. Do you survive this attack? Yes. No. I'm dead. All right. I guess I'll just add a game over window so that I don't have to worry about it ever again. There you go. There's your game over window. Kitty says, I do realize I coded once in my life other than for Tumblr. It was a 1/4 college class. Oh my god. I was like, I'm supposed to get up, but I don't know why. Why would I ever want to get up? Turns out we're on break, by the way. Everybody. Yeah. Alright, so here we are, once again. Okay. I'm stretching, and you should be as well. So, what's next? Again, I'm not particularly concerned with specifics at the moment. I just want to get the engine done, okay? I might even just legitimately just no. I will write a little bit of prose. Come on, it takes 2 seconds, Maxi. But yeah, welcome to the world of coding. A part of me, and I was telling this to Kitty, right? I'm like, a part of me is like, dude, what if I just learn Game Maker instead? But that's dumb. That's a silly thing to say. Because that's a whole new endeavor that I have no intent on walking down. This engine is good enough. We're gonna test with the demo. If the demo can run on Twine, then everything is good. I would very much prefer the game was just a web page that you open in your browser, than instead having to deal with things such as, like, you know, making a game for PC. So instead, we're gonna just keep walking this path, and we're gonna get back to coding in just a minute. But first, let us hydrate. The green jelly bounces high, nearly falling right down on top of you. The wicked thing has saved your bacon. Instead of taking full damage, you only lose 1d4 HP. Did you survive? So now we're gonna copy all of this. We're gonna copy all this text, because basically the green jelly, the failure state is pretty much the same damn situation. Okay, so including even the do you survive part. The only thing that changes here is the description here. So the green jelly bounces high and comes down right on top of you. Right on top of you. Taken down by a Slimer.
Taken down by a gamer.
Oh my god, I unplugged my headphones again. There we go.
Taken down by a gamer.
The green jelly bounces high and comes down right on top of you. You take the full force of the little guy's attack. You lose 1d6 HP. You lose 1d6 HP. I guess it would be like just lose 1d6 HP. Do you survive? Do you survive? Do you survive? There has to be a better phrasing, but you know what? It's fine. We'll figure this out later, okay? So if we go over from here, the green jelly bounces high and comes down right on top of you. You take the full force of the little guy's attack. You lose 1d6 HP. Do you survive? And then once again we have the yes or no. Now I do need a modifier right here. So the no will always be a no. That's perfectly fine. So I need to check. How do I make I want to basically have a variable. Okay, so if thing is blank, you go to this thing. Okay. So let's see if we can make this work, okay? So I will also let's go, how do I want to do this? I think I know how I want to do this, okay? So we're already at this has to be done in the failure state. Okay, so we're in the failure state, also known as the as me, also just known as me. All right, so we have this bit of code. So it's gonna have to be this. So if hit is weak, if hit is weak, wait a minute. Link go to. How would I do this? Well, I guess I could have it be here then, right? I wonder if I can do that. I wonder if that works. Probably doesn't work. So if hit is weak, I want... Wait, what is this? Why is there just a random bit here? I like this one. I have to come back to this later. Thankfully, I mean, I could just open the manual, the Harlow manual, which will explain all of this. But first off. Okay, so the link says this. Okay, welcome back to Maxi's Learning to Code live on stream. Okay, so the name of the link is still the same damn thing. It's this. The link still just says this. That yes, you survived. This is still here. This does not change. Now, what is the rest of this code block? It sets a variable to a thing, and then you go to that thing. Okay. Oh my gosh. So, I guess I would like it to be if the variable hit is weak, if the variable hit is weak, no, okay. I swear this makes sense. If the hit is a miss, set repeat. Set repeat to and then you go to the repeat action, which is going to be this. I think? No. my brain is getting melty. Okay. But what if Baba is you? Yeah, welcome to this is an impromptu episode of Baba is you, by the way. Okay, I have my notes here, okay? If hit is weak, go to victory. If hit is miss, do another enemy attack, then set hit to clear. I literally wrote this, huh? Okay, so if hit is weak, go to victory. Literally just go to lesser spoils. Literally just go here. Literally just go here, okay? Else no, it just make it, yeah, if hit is weak. No. There's actually the complete way around, by the way. If the hit was weak, you get to get some loot. If the hit was a miss, I make you go. Wait, hold up. No. Maxi, Maxi, I have a question here, Maxi. Okay, I'm trying to save myself like one bit of work, but what if instead... I'm trying to save myself like one cycle of work. Okay, what if it's like set... Am I gonna have another variable of like if I set miss to complete? Okay. If hit is miss, set miss to complete. No. If hit is complete, go to man. Okay, I'm trying to save myself one cycle of work. If the hit is weak, you're gonna go to, you get spoils. If you have completed the miss over, you want to kind of miss over, by the way, for now, then you also get to get some loot. But if the hit is a miss, it will set a thing, then you have to go do a thing. So, and then it's gonna be go to, let me go find the code that I wanted for this, by the way. It's this piece of code right here. Okay, so go back over here. So it's gonna be go to, and then it's gonna be a bunch of different locations, such as, for instance, green jelly attacks 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Does this make sense? Don't tell me. If this makes no sense, don't tell me. I don't need to know. There we go. Okay. I've got it. 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 You were all concerned. So in order for this to work, I have to have this be connected all the way over here. So let's go over here. Jelly attacks, green jelly attacks 1, by the way. Is there a chance that this works? I mean, there's only one way to... Okay, so let's test this encounter, okay? Let's test this encounter, okay? So... Did I somehow literally mess up the... It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not pissed. I'm not pissed. Somehow I erased... Somehow I keep erasing the text that I drew before, but it's fine. We'll come back. Did the jelly encounter start? It's... Wait, no, it is here. What? You know what? Let's not even worry about that, okay? So, welcome to the actual test. A green jelly approaches. We choose to fight. Ready yourself. Okay, my action score is... It's a 5. Now, does my action score exceed an X or a Y? It actually does neither. And then the green jelly jiggles excitedly as though ready to pounce you. What do you do? I am going to duck down. Changes like if and to be combined using plus between in them. Okay. Okay, so there's a mistake right there. Yes, I do survive, and they should be linking somewhere else. Okay. Hi, Jada.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
Yeah, there's work that needs to happen here. There's work, but you know we're making it happen. Okay, so what is the? It says here that if statements need to be connected. Oh, whoops! I had Oh yeah, it looks like I forgot to actually edit the rest of the passage, so I had a bunch of links. Okay, yeah. It turns out that actually that makes sense actually. It's almost as though you wouldn't want that to happen, huh? Fair all the way. Okay, if I go here. Yes. There is no variable. Okay. That makes more sense. Okay, so let's retry this again from the beginning. Let's go over here. Let's play test from here. There appears to be like, oh, I guess whatever page is open on the topmost layer, that's the one you playtest from. That's interesting. So we're gonna fight it. We're striving. We miss against the monster. I'm gonna duck down, and so you can see that a parameter has been set to miss. I do survive, and here is where we're getting stuck. Okay, so let's look at this right here. So, I guess I don't have the. So if the hit is weak, if the hit is set to weak, go to green jelly lesser spoils, which is over here. If the hit is a miss over, also goes over here. If the hit is a miss, set. I wonder if there. Should you just have them be like all like pluses? Is that literally what it is? I mean, if that's what it is, that's easy. If this is literally all I need to do to fix it, I'm happy. Let's try this. And let's just playtest from here. Six errors. Oh my god. Can't combine an if false changer with a go-to command. Really? You can't do that. Alright. So that is not what we needed to... Whoa. That is not what we needed to do? Okay. So what else can I do other than having to manually code all these strings? What to do? What to do? What to do? Would you let me think about it? All right, so how can I do this? How can I do this in a way that is also... I mean, I wonder if part of me is like, Maxi is not gonna be easy. Just do it the hard way. Maybe. So let's look at the chart once again. So, if you score a miss, you get to go through the enemy attack twice. That's it, right? Alternatively, I guess what we could do... I could have you just roll the damage twice. Yeah, but then you don't get to see as many attacks as before, which means the player gets to experience less new things. Let's think about this. Let's think about this. And by let's think about this, I'm literally gonna like... What are you? Who are you? What is this note? Who are you? You're an old one, huh? Ah, the timer got broken. It's fine. It's fine. We'll start over again. I'm gonna move the timer all the way over here so I don't close my mistake. This is the fun part, unfortunately. Okay, let me actually grab this. Let me grab this template, this template. Go over here real quick. I also I need better names for all these goddamn sections. I'm not gonna lie, but it's fine. It's fine. I also gotta change all my links to be the go-to links instead, but it's fine. It's fine. So all of these, all the victory sections end with you literally selecting to just go back to where you were before. Oh, I have to figure out a variable for that too. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, link go to it should be the eject emoji. And the text for it is just return. Return. Back to adventure. Return. Back to adventure. Let's just call it that for now. The text for this will be the green jelly flees. You are victorious. You are victorious. You are victorious. You're victorious. Gain 3 rewards. And the options are, of course. The options are... The options are... gain 1d4 XP. Roll on the green jelly loot once. Roll on the green jelly loot. Or just gain? No, I'll be roll once. Roll once? Is that really better? Roll once on the green jelly loot table. Let's see, what does this look like? Does it actually look like a bulleted list? It does, but it's way too further down. What if instead of what if instead gain 3 rewards, gain 1d4 XP, or I guess I could just have this be all freaking bold, huh? Yeah, what if it was just bold the entire way, okay? No, if everything is bold, then nothing is bold, okay? Understood. Understood. Gain 1d4. What if more style? What, underlined? Am I gonna make it underlined to make it stand out? Is that literally where we're at today? Gain 1d4 XP or roll once on the green jelly loot table. Of course, you know, once you mouse over, it will give you a little window that tells you what the jelly drops, etc., etc., etc. Back to adventure. This is the basic victory screen. Done for now. So, the way I wish I could just like copy you over, but whatever's fine. Let's make... Oh, this is the lesser spoils, actually. Let's just go over here and copy the exact same text that we have already done before. And instead, the text, instead of being "you're victorious," is the green jelly fleece. You're safe for now. You managed to survive. No, that's... I don't know. You know, it's fine. Gain 2 rewards. Gain 1d4 experience, or roll once on the green jelly loot table. Fine, and then it has the return option. Let me double check what it looks like, and there it is. Perfect. Gain 2 rewards. Maybe pick 2 rewards. I don't know. We'll get there. So that is the lesser spoils. Dude, this is a goddamn mess over here, by the way. This whole area, I knew today was gonna be messier because, you know, it's last time it was just UI, which was just looking at just changing a number and then checking, but this is way more intensive today. I hope you're all having fun, or at least I hope you think that this is a little bit, maybe slightly
Cool.
There you go. All right, so just to cut all these blocks. You can't even see all of them because I made the window bigger. You can't even see this mess of blocks over here, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll fix it. So, the way that I want it to be. I'm vibing. That's good. I'm happy. So, the green jelly has 3 attacks. Let's just say 3 attacks, right? I really don't think I need the instant flag anymore, now that I think about it. I'm gonna take it off and see if that breaks everything. I should also just fix that link, honestly, so let's just literally fix it right now. You're over here, aren't you? Aren't you? There we go. No. Is it you? It's not you. Is it you? It's you, isn't it? No. Oh, man. All of these need to get fixed, but whatever. It's fine. So, it's you. It's not you. Let's just start from the top, Max, okay? Let's fix these links for now, so our code is at least somewhat consistent. And this would be fight. And the link that it goes to, of course, is in fact green jelly fight. The other link will be the running person emoji, followed by the words run with the option to flee. The thing nobody ever tells you about making a game is just how much of a pain in the ass coding is. You're right, because there is no run option. Okay, perfect. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. This will be fixed. And you will be fixed. I'm gonna make a new one. Put you over here. You are green jelly. Green jelly, flee. Perfect. So now if I go over here, the link will no longer be red. There we go. If I click on here, there's nothing because I put no code in there. Let's open it up again. We go to fight. You come up with your action score. And then you strive, and then it asks you how well you did. Let me go back and check in the strive option. This is where we were messing with things. Yes, I see it now. Link go to. It will be 2 check marks, by the way. Plus the text, just 1. Oh, it's actually both. And it leads to green jelly victory. There you go. Now all these lines of code are consistent. Now if I go over here, is there no green jelly victory? Oh, it's because I wrote it in all caps. That makes sense. Victory. There we go. Man, code is very finicky, huh? There you go. That's much better. I'm also gonna go over here and just make sure that there's a space between these guys so text is not all stuck together. There we go. What if I put a little sad face in there? Just a little bit of personality. Neither. Sad face. Both. Just one. Neither. So this should set the parameter to miss. We're gonna duck down, taking the big amount of damage. We do survive. And for some reason, it's taking me all the way through, so we have to figure out how that gets fixed. Let me go. I'm gonna just make all these links the better format of the links, you know? That's something that I should just learn to just do, period. Let's remake all the... This is jump up. Do I have a jump? Is there a jump emote? There isn't. It's a kangaroo. Let me tell you, we're not gonna do that. I have what might be a silly coding question. Go right ahead, kitty. There's no silly questions. Only silly people. And we love silly people here. Does having multiple if-then statements slow down Twine? Because I know it might slow down other programs. Kitty, are you referencing a particular game? Kitty, I swear to God, are you referencing a particular game that I'm aware of, Kitty? Perhaps Lemao. I knew it. How dare you? How dare you imply that my coding prowess would somehow be likened to that of A game that rhymes with Mandare humiliator. It is a general concern, yeah. That if statement should only be active on that page, so it should be fine. It's gonna be duck. So let's all the links are like doubled, by the way. Whoopsies. Just checking, no worries. You're good. You're good. Oh, it's green jelly. Oh my god. Thankfully, these are like really easy mistakes to fix. There we go. How about now? Are you happy now? Duck is not happy? Oh, because there's a space in there. Okay, there you go. Now, why are you... Oh, it's because you're literally not all the way to the top, huh? There we go. Jump. Touch left. Touch right. Duck. If you duck, you get hit by the slime. Do you survive? Yes, I'm alive. Oh, I realized that on the I wonder. Fine. I will draw a little trumpets and banner for the victory state. Okay, let me write this down. Let me write it down. Victory state, banner, and trumpet. Because there should definitely be there should be no monster in there left, by the way. So when you're in victory or lesser spoils, there should be no monster image. And lesser spoils, there should be no monster image as well. Yeah, so you go over one. Yeah, the green jelly flees. You managed to survive. Gain 2 rewards. Blah 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 blah. There should be no slime when you get there. That just makes sense to me. That just makes sense. I guess I should do my due diligence. Can I just close all of you, please? There we go. Let's start clean, okay? We're gonna copy you. I'm gonna make a new passage over here. You will be green jelly attacks 2. So what is the second possible attack that the jelly can have? The green jelly. What was the options? Okay, people in chat, can I please get ideas for attacks that the jelly can do, please? And in case you don't know what he looks like, here you go. Tell me, what attacks can this little guy do, by the way? Did you know that in California we call due diligence dude diligence? Kitty, I didn't see the JK at the end. I was completely like bought in. I'm like, dude, we do say that, don't we? Man, we do say that, huh? All right, fellas, I need. Can I get an attack? Can I get I need 2 attacks that I want this cute little guy to do. Okay. Pounce? We already have a pounce. A butt slam. Isn't that kind of like a pounce if you think about it? The tone indicator is horrifying to me. Excuse me. Oh, there's already a boy attack. Okay. Delete you. Get back in line. The implication that people could believe that. Maxi, please stay in auto defeat mode for the whole stream. Yeah, I could. I know that I love that you know it as utter defeat. That is its official coding name, by the way. It is officially known as utter defeat, by the way. All right, attack number 2. You know what? The jelly is gonna roll towards you. Let's go with that. The green jelly starts rolling towards you. Starts rolling towards you. It's getting close. It's getting close. What do you do? I come back to stream and Maxi's in gummy mode. It's me. Abagabe. My brain is melty. Not to be confused with chat member Melty. Siska said that I should stay in this mode all day, and I'm like, maybe I should. Alright, so what are the options? Okay. I'm gonna open you. I'm gonna grab you. I'm gonna make a new passage. I'm gonna paste you over here. I'm gonna paste the passage. I'm gonna paste you here. I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna grab your name. I'm gonna copy your name. I'm gonna jump out of here. Get back in here. Rename you. And then next week we're gonna do it again. Alright. A part of me is like, this seems like an awful lot of work. But then I'm like, there's no way that this isn't like this has got to be like the same amount of work as like coding like a game in like Game Maker, right? This can't be as much work. This must be less work, right? Oh, sorry, I stopped being in utter defeat mode, by the way. I know everybody loves me, but people are here. They're not here cheering for me. They're here to see me absolutely like descend into madness little by little. Is this the failure state? Yes, I copied the wrong one. Classic Max. Classic Max. In an attempt to save yourself time, you lose time, huh? You know it's your soulmate if they can defeat you utterly with just the word. It's true. It's so true. Bestie, it's so true. Alright, so attack number 2. The jelly starts rolling towards you. Alright, so, in the case of the jelly, by the way, ducking is the only one that will get you to take full damage, by the way. The rest of them take you to success. Now let me just test this one right here. Yeah, duck is the only one that takes you to failure. Because of course, if a guy is like rolling towards you, why would you duck? You didn't defeat me. Like when you say that it defeated me wholly, you make it seem like it was a bad thing. I laughed. It was good. It was a good moment. The green jelly rolls past you. Rolls past you. Only gracing you a little. Instead of taking full damage, you only lose 1d4 HP. Oh my, oh, okay, you're, okay, no, okay, never mind. Yeah, okay, that one was pretty bad. That one was pretty bad. The worst part is that I could see the twist coming from a mile away. And I'm like, this MFer really is making his face appear in front of the eclipse? Really? This MFer really is gonna do this, huh? Now the green jelly rolls right into you. Rolls right into you. The little guy is squishy. Squishy to the touch, but it sure packs a punch. Then there's gonna be like lose 1d6 HP. Do you survive? Do you survive? Which is what I literally think about anytime anyone does anything. Have I survived? Probably not. Alright, so now I can go back over here. Because I want you to go to a bunch of different... Why aren't you named? I thought I named you. I thought I named you. BRB, no worries, kid, you're good. So, okay, now go to either of these boyos. Perfect. This is the code that I needed from the beginning. Strive, go over here, buddy. And I gotta figure out a better way to do the code, but whatever is fine. So, literally the only thing that's different is the last little part of the code. Perfect. Which will be go to either one of the 3 attacks. This is gonna look so freaking good in motion, fellas. Sometime when a player dies, I should go, huh, I wonder if you're still alive, maybe. And then have them roll insight to find out if they're still alive. How dare you? Okay, now, welcome to the new test. Now, it should be a random chance which attack the slime does when I click this button. Oh, I put it only on a miss! Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. The glory of coding is that you're sitting there going like, there you go. Excuse me? Why are you broken? Are you... Is it because you're missing one bracket? That's it? No. We're attached to a hook. Okay. What about this? What if I do the good old plus? No. Okay. Okay. Sorry, my brain is getting a little bit jellified right now. Okay, so I want you to, what I want it to be, so that when a player clicks on those buttons, it will take them to one of 3 different attacks. So, span class emoji, yes, yeah, just one. Then sets hint. Maybe, what if it was just, what if there was no bracket? Is the bracket the problem? No! It's this bracket that's the problem. It's the kids who are out of touch. No? No? Strange? Weird things are happening with the code, but you know what? It's fine. We're gonna figure it out. Fellas, I've been streaming for 2 hours. I need to go use the bathroom. So I hope y'all can bear with me while I go utilize the little girl's room. I'm gonna be right back. Please sit tight, and there will be more tactical coding action in just a moment. Sit tight. Beep boop. I'm back. I'm back. Thank you for bearing with the bathroom break. Alright, I'm back. Out of the feed mode. Because this is exactly what I feel like right now.
Cool.
Alright, so. Turn the Maxi, please. Music. Thank you. Alright, not even the Wii Sports music can make me feel better right now. Alright, so. I am breaking something. Something is broken here. What if we just... Okay, just forget about the setting a variable thing. Time for some more agony of the feed. There we go. At least everyone is having fun. I'm not going fun. I am not going fun. I am not going fun. But I hope that at least you guys are going fun. Let me try making it like an additional like link here. Let me just make a clown about option here. And I want to see if I put no, there's no way that this would work. Link go to. Well, no. What if we just make it the go to then? Let me double check my notes here. Okay, let me just double check. I'm looking at link go to. It's missing something. Oh my freaking god! I am missing a piece of the code. Oh my freaking god! Classic, absolutely classic, by the way. Okay. Link go to, and the actual text goes in here, followed by the text of what I want it to be goes here. Well, the rest of the options go over there. Perfect. Okay, so this should be better now. Let's try the clown link. The clown link should work now. Okay, so let me first off turn the timer on. Now, if I click on this, it should take me to one of 3 different attacks by the slime. Okay, it starts rolling towards me. Let's load that again. The green jelly exclamation mark. What do you do? Oh wow, I love that one. Which attack is this? What happened here? Oh, we haven't made a 3rd attack yet. Okay. So I feel like this proves, by the way... This proves to me that this works now. The green jelly jiggles excitedly as though ready to pounce on you. What do you do? And then jump, dodge left, dodge right, duck. I'm gonna dodge left. Okay, so I can rewrite all of this. Don't worry about that. So... we have figured out that this is how we want the multiple links to work. Thankfully, it only took a little bit of clowning around. So now, I'm gonna grab all of this here. Well, I wonder if there's like a hard code that I could do instead. Well, it would be more work. Well, why not? Why, Maxi, why not just like, fuck it, it's more work, just do more work instead, Maxi. If we can't figure out how to make these variables work. First, let me actually just fix this code, by the way. The text should be just 1. And then it fixes the rest of that, perfect. I mean, I guess I should try to make the variables work. But at the same time, what if I just hard-coded it instead? Both. Just 1. Neither. I like this because... You know, Maxi, we can worry about that later, okay? She goes excitedly, I would like to duck, please. I have survived. Back to adventure. Okay. So, how can we... So, what I want it to be is that if you are, in fact... Well, actually, I realized there's one piece of coding that I have not figured out at all. I guess we might as well just do that now. So, I wanna take me to the jelly encounter start, by the way. So, I wanna make it so as soon as you complete a move... Hi, Kendra!
Welcome back.
Welcome.
I wanna make it so that when you complete a move, it takes you back to where you were before. So I assume I have to set a variable. Hi, Candace. How you doing, gay?
Dude, that's gay.
Alright, so welcome back to the agony of coding, by the way. So, I would like... Bonjour. So, I would like to, when you make it here, when you make it to this screen right here, still alive, moderately healthy, organizing my K-pop men, let's go. I wonder if I have to put the code anywhere. I guess I could put it anywhere, huh? Let's, I guess upon entering this screen, okay? Upon entering this screen, it will set the variable known as return to jelly encounter start. Now, this normally won't be the case, but I'm doing it now so we can test this, okay? So, set return to jelly encounter start. Now, we're gonna go to the jelly bean victory. And I wanna see... Where's the piece of code that I liked before? There was one that I liked. There you go. Okay. So let's copy this piece of code and see how we can adapt it into what we're doing today, okay? So, the text of the link, which is this whole thing, get back to adventuring. Set location to... Well, actually... Set location... Okay, so set location to return. Well, no, then just go to return then. Why even bother about doing all that? Just go to return then. Yeah, okay, so. Hear me out. If everything was done according to plan... If everything was done according to plan, when I do the encounter, it should loop me back to this screen, okay? So I'm gonna go to fight. I strive. It takes me to one encounter. I complete both. Back to adventure. This button should take me back to the beginning of the fight. No. Can't go to the passage jelly encounter start because it doesn't exist. Excuse me? Oh my god. Oh my god. You are so silly. Sorry, a start has to be capitalized. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. We fight. We strive. We both. We back to adventure? It worked! Yes! Yes!
Bingo!
Okay.
Cool.
Alright, so this fixes a problem that I was thinking before. So now, this is done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, so. Can we apply the lessons we just learned here? Can we apply the lessons we learned literally right here? Let me just really quickly just add a little bit of code here. Code and variables set. And there you go. This bit of code over here will not be rendered by the actual game, but it's just for me to know that, like, this guy is setting this variable at the start of this, by the way. So, and then there's the image and background, whatever. Who cares? Who cares? It's fine. So we go over here. Let me just test that again, just in case, just because my brain is bad. There we go. Perfect. Now, I have to make it now. So what I'm thinking, what I'm thinking. You know what? Why don't I just Google it? Twine Harlow. How to change link based on variable. I bet someone has figured this out. I bet someone has figured this out. Okay. 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 If variable is A, text to be shown if option A was selected in previous message. Okay. That is not really what I'm looking for. But I see where this goes. Tips Fedora Maxi. Hello, Noms. Guten Morgen.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
Dude, that's gay.
Welcome to I'm melting my little brain, my tiny little baby brain, coding. But please enjoy this slime, by the way. Please enjoy this jelly. We're calling them jellies now, by the way. You're such a cute little guy. The fact that it loops well makes me so happy. Okay, so let me think. How can I apply the lesson that we learned just a moment ago? I gotta work on my slime rug tonight more. Excuse me? How come I haven't heard of this yet? Kendra, explain. Okay, so if I have, if after, can I have a click set a variable? Could that work? So let's say that you do this, right? So, you know what? Maybe I think what I should do. I think legitimately what I should do is that I should just accept. So here's the path. Okay. I'm pissed because I can see a path in which I can make this this code work. But a part of me is like, wouldn't it just be easier to, like, instead of making the player go through the suffer cycle twice, why not just have it be so that there's a unique attack for when you score a miss on an enemy? Why not just do that? Why not just do that? Why not just have it be? Why not just have it be that when you... Yeah! Let's just do that instead! Does it require more work? Yeah, but at least it's more colorful than just, like, the same thing twice. Okay, so... I have to, like, rename everything, by the way, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, so here's what happens instead, okay? So, when you encounter the jelly, you can choose to fight or to flee. When you choose to fight, the jelly has 3 different attacks. You only see this in the case of a weak hit. In the case of a miss, you see the slime's most powerful attack. This is all wrong. Excuse me, Ronnie. Ronnie's gonna be... I would choose to poke. Would you like to poke the slime? Again, like, this system allows me to have, like, cute little situations like that later in the game. But for the demo, I just want to keep it, you know, pretty straightforward. So let's just instead come up with the green slime super attack. So, here we have the green jelly. It is green jelly super attack. And we're gonna grab you over here. We're gonna grab you over here. We're gonna grab you over here. We're gonna paste you here. Alright, so, fellas, what should be the green jelly's powerful attack? The green jelly. I actually like the idea that the green jelly gets into your backpack. Let's go. The green jelly. Ooh. Skitters? Skitters? No. What would you describe the movement of a slime? Slides? No. It's not skitter. The slime moves towards your... Okay. The green jelly sees your backpack and moves towards it at blinding speed. It's going for you. What do you do? Get in the way. Now, see, this is where we get to have, like, really, like, colorful situations here. So it's like, get in the way. What would be, I guess, block, I guess. Then a roadblock? No. No? There you go. Get in between. Shield your backpack. Shield your pack. Shield your backpack. Stop it. Stop. No. What would be a good phrasing for this? Get in between. Get, you know, it's just get in between. Pool on your backpack. Just give me a bag icon, by the way. Grab your bag. Get in between, grab your bag. Bounces gently with the slime. Oh my god, Ronnie. I know that's a lie, because Ronnie acts all nice and cute, but I know Ronnie would also just be like, I light the room on fire. And I'm like, Ronnie? Get in between. Oh, what does this look like? Get in between, grab your back, grab your bag. So these lead to unique scenarios, right? So like getting in between the slime and you means you take damage, but you don't lose food. Grabbing your bag means some of your resources spill out. Is there a third option? Fellas, I'm asking you right now, is there a third option? The slime is like running towards your backpack with the intent of eating all of your food. The slime intends to eat all of your food. You can either get in between and take damage instead of losing things. You can grab your backpack and cause some things to spill out. I guess we need like the bad option of like dodge. Just dodge out of the way. Throw a bread at it. Maybe. Befriend the slime. God damn it, Ronnie. Slurp the world. Dude, introducing the slime class, the hero class slime. What's another thing you could? What's another thing you could do? Get in between. You deal damage. You take damage. Grab the bag. You lose a bunch of resources. Let's go with. Maybe you can rephrase rephrase it. The green jelly sees your backpack and moves towards it at blinding speed. What do you do? Yank? I like yank your backpack, actually. Yank your bag. I'm thinking. You know what? Is there a scary... We could be like, attempt to scare the slime. No. I like you getting in between makes sense. This should be the option that makes you lose the most resources. What would be the wrong option? I wonder if you know what actually we don't let the player know that it's coming towards your backpack. The slime, the green jelly. Ooh, stares at you intently. Then, ooh, charges at blinding speeds. It's charges at blinding speeds. The green jelly stares at you intently, as though it just found something tasty. What do you do? Stares at you intently, as though it just found something tasty. It stares at you intently. No. The green jelly charges at you, its eyes glowing, as though it just found something very tasty. Something tasty. What do you do? Okay, so now the option would be like stand your ground. Stand your ground. We could have. I don't really want it to be duck. I do feel like the dodgings are just basically like. I mean, I guess could I do duck and jump? I don't think so. Those are not as exciting to me because like it just leads to the slime grabbing your backpack instead. If you stand your ground, you take the most damage. If you dodge to other side, the slime gets your backpack. The worst case scenario would be you. I guess I could have it be consistent and be jump, duck, or whatever, right? I guess just, you know what? Okay, fine. Jump. In that case, let me just save myself some time and just copy this text over here. Green, jump. Dodge left, dodge right, duck. Okay, let's do that instead. I think the failure is more interesting to write first. Let me grab that. I'm gonna make a new note here. I'm gonna move you over here. I gotta figure out I gotta figure out a completely different way of sorting this out, by the way. Oh Lord, I'm finally back, says Kitty. Welcome back, Kitty. What's up? How's work been? So here's the failure state, by the way. The green jelly crashes into you. Ooh, no. The green jelly crashes right into your backpack. The little fella munches on your food. The little fella the little fella starts rolling away, its mouth full of food. Hopefully. Its mouth full of mostly food. Loose, and here's what it is. I had students, and then I had a potentially empty student who was a lot. Oh my gosh. So you're gonna in this encounter you're gonna lose, by the way, 1d6 food, a total lose 1d6 food or total items. What kind of Puka Central device is an EMT? Dude, you don't even want to know. Lose 1d6 food, items, or HP. Lose a total of d6. Lose a total of 1d6 food, items, or emergency magnemite training. That's incredible. That's incredible, love. Or HP. Do you survive? Do you survive? Do you survive? What does this look like? You lose a total of 1d6 food, items, or HP. Okay. Yeah, this is I'm getting like super stuck on like wanting to make this make sense, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's go into the attack option. We're gonna make a new one. We're gonna paste you over here. We're gonna grab you. We're gonna paste you. We're gonna grab you. We're gonna grab you. We're gonna grab your name. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna grab your name. We're gonna paste you. All right, now Now that we're in the success window. Now, what does it look like when you succeed? It should also be like actually higher, by the way. Ooh, 1d8? No, 2d4. There you go. That's better. Oh, that is such a big price to pay. Rip. I mean, like that's a miss, baby. Sorry, I'm sorry to break it to you, but that's the miss. I guess 1d8 would be less cruel now that I think about it. Nah, 2d4, 2d4. I wonder what's crueler, a 2d4 or a 1d8. Can I get the gamers in chat to tell me, please? What's more cruel? What would make you feel more messed up, by the way? To lose 2d4 or 1d8? Go. You could lose your entire food in this miss, by the way, which is kind of hilarious. $1d12, to be honest. No, it says 2d4 has a minimum of 2, 1d8 has a minimum of 1. Go on. 1d10 minus 1? How dare you? I am trying so hard to not even bother with minus 1s or plus 1s. Because then I have to explain whether damage can be less than 1, and I'm like, please, for the love of God, don't talk to me. The green jelly. The green jelly. Ooh, collides with your shoulder. And you see the little fella munching on your... munching on the food. No. You collides with your shoulder. And the little fella wastes no time munching. No, wastes no time. Ooh. Slithering into your backpack. Thankfully, you are able to knock it out. Knock it out before it eats too much. And if you only roll 1 and you roll a 4, you know the next one's gonna be so much worse. That's fair. Okay. Okay. So 2d4 for the big fail. 1d6. Anyway, I'm gonna get 2d4 minus 1 hours of sleep now. Take care, nerds. No worries. Have a good night, Siska. Remember, I love you and you're gay.
Dude, that's gay.
Take care, friendo.
So long, Bowser.
Dude, it's almost 120. Instead of taking, no. Let me go over here. Actually, there's so much to still have to figure out. Man, making games is hard. Okay, I found the Reddit post on a difference between 1d8 and 2d4. Oh, let's go. Thank you, Noms. Before it eats too much. It could have been worse. You only lose a total of 1d6, 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 1d6 food. You only lose a total of 1d6 food. I'm gonna have to put a tooltip of like, if you don't have enough food, you must instead spend items or HP instead. Okay, so in that case, I just need another window then. So many freaking windows open, man. All right, so now I have to make sure that this guy here is all good. I'm gonna grab you. Boom, boom, boom. So, the green jelly charges at you. Its eyes glowing as though it found something. So it just found something tasty. No, the green jelly stares at your backpack. Backpack. Its little mouth salivating in anticipation. Just before it charges at blinding speed. Quick. What do you do? 1d8. No, Nomia says 1d8 has an equal chance of outputting 1 through 8, but 2d4 cannot output a 1, and also has a 12% chance of resulting in a 5. About double the chance of getting a 5 on a 1d8. Ah, Noms make some good points. That's some good points there, Noms. Quick, what do you do? Dodging to either side results in the slime hitting you, by the way. So both of the dodges actually lead to failure, by the way. Let me just paste this. There you go. Both of these lead to failure. I feel like the only one that is a good success is actually it's probably just ducking. Ducking is the only one that takes it to success, I think. Oh, interesting. I kind of like how perfectly geometric that is. Thank you for looking that up, Noms. Okay, I think I'm okay with there being 2 regular attacks and then a big attack in case you missed. I'm kind of okay with that. So in that case, I only need to do this then. We don't have to worry about the code then. It's fine. In that case, I gotta fix this though. We grab you. We go here. The emoji should be the sweating face. If it's relief. Same face. It's fine. I love Number. Dude, Nomia loves Number. Number is Nomia's favorite little guy. So then you go to green jelly, lesser spoils. Green jelly, lesser spoils. We're gonna have you. We're gonna go this away. We're gonna paste you here. I'm gonna literally just copy this entire section over here. Go back down this away. Paste you as well. Dude, Nomia should play Balatro, honestly. I'm pissed Nomia isn't playing Balatro. I bet Nomia would love Balatro. There is so much code that I still have to make, my man. Alright, so we fight. I strive. I neithered. I did bad. And I'm like, I'm gonna duck. Wait a minute, what happened here? I forgot to make it this a thing. Yeah, I literally don't need you to go to either. You literally just go to. Okay. And now we're gonna paste you over here. You're gonna be the double failure. And it will take you to the green jelly super attack. I gotta come up with a better nomenclature for all these things, by the way, but for now, it's good enough. I want to snooze. God, Nomia. Nomia would probably get addicted, by the way. It's true. Nomia has no chance. They're gonna get addicted to Balatro. If you enjoy seeing Nomia, say goodbye, because Nomia's gonna just disappear. both, just one, and neither. Okay, so neither takes me to the green jelly starts at your backpack. Its little mouth salivating in anticipation. Just before it charges at blinding speed. Quick, what do? I duck. Yeah, so there we go. There's no variables, thank God. I have in fact survived. And then the jelly flees! You manage to survive. Gain blank rewards and then take me back to the... That line has not been fixed, huh? I have not fixed that line of code, huh? So this is lesser spoils. Let me just make a new untitled note. I'm gonna grab all the code here. Well, I should fix this code first, huh? What did I do for you? For you, I made it go to... Okay, literally this, huh? Perfect. And now we're gonna copy all of this. All of this, and then it's like gain 1 reward. Gain 1 reward. The green jelly fleece, you managed to survive. And there you go, should look like this. I apparently appear to have missed... Oh, there you go, yeah. I missed one bracket. Everything changes. You miss one bracket, the whole world hates you. It's true. There we go. And then you go back to adventure. The macro's first value should be... Excuse me? Oh, because there's no there's no macro. That's funny. It's fine. Don't worry about it. So this should be... Can you believe people just make video games? Like, it's just a little trial and error. The reality of... so, green jelly, this would be a miss spoils, by the way. And I want you to go, if you survive... I have to fix this, by the way. Ooh, this is not fixed at all. That is not fixed at all. Holy crap, gotta fix that. Maxi have reading comprehension issues and brain fog. This is fair. I'm not judging you. I'm just saying that, you know, there's a process. I believe Nomiya could do this. I believe Nomiya Vikshi could do this. Yes. There you go. Perfect. I have every bit of confidence. You believe wrong, you do not believe in yourself, little friend. That's right, I called you little. You're just a tiny little itty bitty little friend. Okay. You're fixed. You're fixed. Perfect. There's still a little bit more work that needs to happen, but it's fine. Delete that note over there. Okay, so if I'm little, then how small is Lucy supposed to be? Lucy's microscopic, actually. That's why they tell you to not, you know, don't breathe this. That was with Lucy, actually. Dude, it's 1:30, and I feel like I barely got my feet wet today. So this is one encounter. This is actually half of the encounter because there's a whole fleeing option as well. There is definitely room for improvement. You did a lot. I did do a lot, yeah. That's it. It's 1:30. It's time for dailies. No, I am sure. Let me actually can export as a tweet, please. Combat demo. There is still a lot that needs to happen. Like objectively so much that need to happen. There's still UI things I want to change, but you know what, for now, this is not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad, methinks. Alright, let's close all this stuff. We are done doing work for today. Let's take a minute. before we do dailies, I do want to say, by the way, I always forget to bring this up, but I want to say it today. By the way, this stream is supported by viewers just like you. Is the music playing, by the way? The music was working a second ago. Oh my god. You know what? That's it. I'm done. You know what? I'm just legitimately gonna play the music from my computer. There's the ad break. There we go. It's time for the ad break. Hello. Today's show is brought to you by viewers just like you. Please consider supporting me on coffee.com/mkirin, top of the screen, by the way. And all donations go towards making the stream better and helping me pay the bills. Please help with that. Also, by the way, YouTube members get cool little emotes they can use, and when you post them in chat, they show up on the stream. Isn't that cool? We might also be updating them very soon, by the way, so keep an eye out for that. You also get a cool little badge next to your name, by the way, that evolves over time. Isn't that dope? And of course, you can buy my books on my website, envtuber.com. They're also available on Barnes & Noble, Amazon, Google Play Store, and on Itch.io. My games are there too. Play them for free. And if you like them, give me a buck. I don't know. And of course, don't forget that this stream would greatly benefit from a like. Consider leaving a like on this stream, it actually helps a lot. And subscribe if you haven't already. And that's it, I'm out. That's the ad read. Thank you for coming today. Let's get back to the nonsense. Beep boop. Alright. I have to manually load the song, by the way. That's it. This is the world we live in now, by the way. Kendra says, I want to find an unhinged sponsor. Dude. Like who? Who would be unhinged enough? Sheath underwear is fun. Oh my god, how dare you. Yo, hell yeah. Yo, I have been working on writing with one of my language therapy high school students from One Page Left. Dude, let's go. That's fun. I'm happy to hear that. Thank you for letting me know. Alright, so. Oh my god, Kendra. Alright, I'm gonna literally just open up all the bookmarks. Let's go. Welcome to Dailies!
Bingo!
The segment of the day where we play games you can only play today. We'll be beginning with the Wordle. But first, water. Alright, can we guess a 5-letter word in 6 guesses? Let's go. Let's open with mouse. That's bad. That is pretty bad. It has an O in there somewhere. It could be 2 O's. No. It's definitely 2 O's, by the way. What, it's like this? I didn't even know Wordle had a dark mode. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, there it is. That's what the little gear icon is for, Kendra. So, shoot comes to mind, but it can't be shoot. I can't really think of another one that is... You know what? Let me just guess shoot. Okay, it is not double O. So, like, It's definitely 2 O's, they say with no evidence. I'm looking at the way that the word flows, okay? Thought, there you go. The word is thought. It's not, it couldn't start with H, unless it's, no, it can't start with H. So clearly, the T could go like here. It could be that. So we're looking at, So what is this? Froth? Okay, proth, groth. It's broth, isn't it? Delicious soup. Delicious soup. Can we get soup emojis in chat, please? Can we get some soup emojis in chat to celebrate this victory? I also guess froth first. It's because we're sick little bitches, that's why. Shoutouts to Soup, by the way. I love that crazy bitch. I love Soup. She is my favorite little crazy bitch. Alright, what is causing all this? Is it Yanto? No, it's not Yanto. What's causing this delay here? Oh, it's Twine Mother. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, there we go. God, I love Soup. Soup is so good. Let's do connections for the day. So, we have to find 4 groups of 4. Pea, chest, brown, grounds, hazel, head, green, fiction, lawn, chair, cocoa, director, chief, dogs, field, unchained. So, it's something fiction, blank fiction. Non-fiction? No. Science fiction? Science green? Science field? Science chief? No way. Head and Chiz is absolutely a red herring. I think so. So are the colors, by the way. Coffee grounds? Coffee, no. I mean, brown, cocoa, hazel. What? Dogs? No. Okay, let's. Okay, lawn. Lawn. What is pea? A flower? Snow pea? Snow chair? Snow dog? Snow field? Snow grounds? No way. Wait, what are field, grounds, lawn? And the green! Unchained pissed me off because there was only one thing that logically fit there, but I couldn't figure out why. Grassy area. Yo, Dale and I say absolutely same, Brian.
Cool.
Chief, director, chair, and head. People in charge. Literally person in charge, by the way. So what is this? Unchained. Django Unchained. Django. Snow pea? No. Brown, hazel, cocoa. Is it literally, is it dogs? Is it actually dogs? No. It's not even one away. Okay. The colors are absolutely a, Wait a minute. Aren't these movies? Django Unchained? Coco? American Fiction? These are two movies featuring a black person as the main character. They might be American Fiction, Django Unchained. Then we just have to figure out we just gotta figure out the rest of them. That's fun. That's fun. Reservoir Dogs? Oh no. Oh no. Fuck. This is. Oh, god damn it. And Coco. Coco what? Don't say melon. I swear to God, if you say melon. Django Unchained, Reservoir Dogs. It's Pulp Fiction! Oh my god. These are Quentin Tarantino movies. Oh my god. Okay, what's the fourth one? Is it Brown? Did he do a movie with someone's name being Brown? Yeah, okay, yeah. Django's Tarantino. Django, have you always been alone? Django. And this is some bullshit category. Words before nut? Excuse me? Excuse me, say what?
Wait, I got an epic dragon, mommy?
I hate strands, but let's do it. Jackie Brown, thank you. Can I get some fun guys in chat? In closing? Essay? No. Presentation? Presentation. I need P and R together. There's no P and R's together. There's actually no P's today. Okay. Gender boosted a new daily. Oh, I have to look into that. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna walk around and desert you. I'm putting it in the dailies, Kendra, okay? We'll get to it. We'll get to it later. What is this? Stain. Satin. Bottom right? Sincerely? Oh no. Scene. Cerilly. Damn it, Chippy, you're so right. Okay, so words you use at the end of a letter. Thank you. Thanks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thanks. Cheers. I absolutely say I hate this. I hate this. Closing. Bet. No way, Ronnie. Is there a C anywhere? There's no C. Regards. Oh my god. Yeah, I see it. No, not that way. No. Regards. Oh, best regards. Oh my god, I'm pissed. Always? Signing off. Oh my god. Signing off. What did you say? Oh, always. Okay. No, man, to be entirely honest, I thought you were talking about how it's always in the bottom left. Yours truly, Ron. All right, what's the guess the game for today? This looks like a PS2 game. I'm looking at this game right here. This could be Postal too. This is not Postal. PB. This is not GTA 4. No, that's a little bit too blurry. What the hell is PB? With a human foot, by the way. It's a game for the Wii. A game for the Wii? Oh, it's No More Heroes 2. Alright. It's No More Heroes 2. The Desperate Struggle. Yo, Kitty! So, No More Heroes did get a release on other platforms, but guess the game is weird about this, okay? And we did do all the ones before. Yeah, we did. Alright, so welcome to Pokedoku, the game where we try to make a Sudoku out of Pokemon. So we have Sinnoh, Hoenn, Dragon, Electric, Dark, and evolved by an item. So the post-evolution Pokemon, okay. So Sinnoh is Gen 4, Hoenn is Gen 3. I know my Gen 3. For instance, Manectric, by the way. Manectric Mega, that's a good one. Boom, done, easy. A Dark Hoenn Pokemon, people always forget about... What's a good Dark type from Hoenn? Dark type from Hoenn. Absol Mega, baby! So, Dale, Sneasel is Gen 2, by the way, Dale. A Hoenn Pokemon that evolves with an item. This is rare, actually. Kitty, a Hoenn Pokemon that evolves with an item? The hell? Oh no, it's the Dusclops. It's Dusknoir. Is it? It's Dusknoir, right? Yeah, because Duskull is Gen 3. Yeah, no, I'm conf. I'm an idiot. I thought he needed the Reaper's cloth. I'm a dumbass. Don't look at me. I'm a dumbass. Pachirisu, come and save me. What's a Sinnoh? That's a Dusk Tune. Spiritomb. Don't worry, it's Gen 4. I'm a dumbass. Ronnie makes a good point. Is it Hamtaro? It could be Hamtaro. Dragon Electric? What's a Dragon Electric? Oh, that's just Reshiram. No. It's the other one. Sekrom! Yeah, Kirin, yeah, there you go. What's a Dragon Dark? Somebody tell me a Dragon Dark Pokemon, because I don't freaking know. Well, Sinnoh, freaking Magnezone, man. You know what? Actually, Magmortar. A dragon who evolves with an item? A dragon who evolves with... A Pokemon who you give an item to and becomes dragon? Excuse me? I'm kind of choking at these last two, by the way. Maxi doesn't care for my baby? No, Mia. I read your answer. Hydreigon! Thank you! Thank you, Chippy! Okay, we need a dragon who evolves with an item or a poem Pokemon who evolves with an item. Neither of which come to mind, by the way. I'm legitimately, I'm looking at these two and I'm like, what even? Gorbis! Gorbis! Big Mama! You are so correct, Kenny. Oh my god. Shoutouts to my wife, by the way, the goatiest person I know. So, oh, Ludicolo. Oh, Kingdra, get the hell out of here. Oh, and then the Appletons. Oh my god. Delcatty needs an item to evolve? Excuse me? Shiftry needs an item to evolve? Ah, Rotom Heat, of course, of course. It's a Moonstone? I didn't know that. Damn. Also, Roaring Moon is Dark Dragon. That's fun. Alright, welcome to Gamedle, the game where we guess games by guessing the games. Can we guess a game by its cover? This is oh, Siska went to bed. This is Fallout New Vegas, by the way. This is Fallout New Vegas, by the way. I would recognize that leather jerkin anywhere. Yo, Kitty recognized it. Let's go.
Cool.
Can we guess a game based on its art style? This is Ruiner. Thanks for playing. I would recognize this color scheme anywhere. No, that's Ruiner. I knew. This game is fun, by the way. Can we guess a game based on the keywords? Band, bloody, and cow. Cat. Is this Postal? Is this Postal? No. Pedestrians, dark humor, and kill count. Oh, what is the name of that kill? Is it Carmageddon? Holy crap, it was Carmageddon! You know what, actually? Dale would know because this is a racing game. Shoutouts to Dale, by the way. Alright, and the last one of this game. Can we guess a game with a game? Give me Ruiner, by the way. A single-player game from before 2017. It could be an indie. Hit me with Braid. Give me Braid. Freaking hate Braid. Before 2008. It is also not on Linux, PC, Mac. Oh, this could be a Nintendo game. This could be a Nintendo game. Wii or Wii U? I don't think so. I think it's too early for just the Wii. Let me think of a Nintendo game. Let's do Sunshine. No. Okay, so it's in a platform adventure game From 2002, not on the GameCube. Third-person isometric single player. Not on the GameCube. This has to be... This is probably like a Jak and Daxter game, isn't it? Jak and Daxter, the precursor legacy. Okay, it is by Then it has to be... It's the wrong saga? The engine is Kinetica? It's probably Sly Cooper. It's Sly Cooper Thieves in Time. It's the other Sly Cooper game. Good call, Dale, by the way. Good call.
Cool.
Bingo! We did it. Now, let's try the game that Kendra gave us today, by the way. Cine to Nerdle. How do I play this? How to play? There are 4 more movies to find in each puzzle. Okay. Swap tiles to organize them into rows and or columns representing movies. Okay. Do the original? What do you mean the original? Okay. Tiles turn yellow when 3 tiles belong together. Okay. Okay. Sure, why not? I'll do the original. Why not? So, Tom Hanks plays the piano. Tom Hanks is a sailor. Tom Hanks fights in Normandy. This is wait, is it the column? Is it the columns or the rows, by the way? Is it the rows or the... Oh my god. It's both? Okay. So, Normandy, this is Saving Private Ryan, by the way. Okay, this is the one... Okay, I didn't realize, by the way, that this is a game where you could just, like, force it, by the way, by moving tiles around. Women's League Baseball, by the way. Oh. I kind of... Oh, okay. Okay. I kind of hate this, by the way. You have a limit of swaps? Oh, I hate that. Okay. Tom Hanks saves American Soldier, saves Brian Ryan. What's the other one? Alcoholic, works at a toy company. That's big. Tom Hanks is mentally a child. That's him. He also shoots a tank. Mentally a child, works at a makes a wish. That's big. Plays the piano. That's also big. So he works at he's in a women's league. There you go. Okay, I kind of hate. Okay, I'm gonna tell you, this is fun. I hate the layout of this game, by the way. So Nomi says, mentally a child makes me uncomfortable. Okay, in the movie Big, Tom Hanks is a like 15-year-old who wishes to be big. So he wakes up in the body of Tom Hanks as a grown-ass adult, and he has to deal with the fact that, you know, he's a young man in a big man's body. And it's a nice, whimsical movie. I think about the movie all the time. I bet it's aged terribly, but I want to watch it again. Alright, let's wrap today with... Oh, there's a good one. Can we? You're missing a movie? Am I missing a movie? Well, it's too late. I closed the window. I'm sorry. What do you... How am I supposed to make a... How am I supposed... This is a horizontal... Oh, this is a one that's horizontal. Okay. I mean, like, that's not gonna happen. We will never know what the last movie was. Alright. Oh, what's the solution, actually? This, okay, I have to say, this might have been the worst possible showing for Cine to Nerdle, by the way. But I think I understand it now. Okay, I see it. We'll try it tomorrow. Now, can we get from the movie Megamind to the movie Hot Shots? Yeah, I think so. So Megamind is not the problem. Megamind is easy. There's so much we can do with Megamind. We need to get out of Hot Shots. That's the problem. Lloyd Bridges. Lloyd Bridges, have you done anything? Ryan Stiles is in this movie? I have to go through Ryan Stiles. What else have you done, Ryan? Spooky Buddies. Astro Boy? The superhero. Drew Carey's Improv All-Stars? I have to go through here. Come on, there has to be no, there's no one. Dude, shouts to Laura Hall on the keyboard. So, thankfully, Zoolander strats are live, yeah. Also, SNL is actually live, actually. So, what about superhero movie? Drake Bell. Oh my god. Cursed. Is there a better path forward, Maxi? There probably. Alright, let me back up. Lloyd Bridges was in a bunch of those movies. He was also, if I remember correctly, he was also in Hot Shots Part 2. Pamela Anderson. There's a bunch of people in that movie. Wait, dude, this lady looks so much like Scarlett Johansson. The way that she's closing her eyes, like she's like she has a headache. Excuse me, is that Ronald Reagan? Homer Simpson? Wait, Dan Castellaneta? Was he in the previous one? No. I don't want to go through Charlie Sheen. I might have to. Wait, Charlie Sheen, were you in Zoolander? No, you weren't invited, huh? Machete Kills! Machete! Danny Trejo! Michelle Rodriguez! Jessica Alba! Lady Gaga! Lady Gaga is in here? Was Ben Stiller in Megamind? Yeah! Homie, he's right here. Danny Trejo, Spy Kids Strats? It could be Spy Kids Strats, actually. I can't believe I have to be watching the fucking Joker because of Lady Gaga. I mean, like, yeah. That's what it means to be a fan. I'm sorry. So, we're gonna have to go through Machete Kills. We need to get to comedy. We need to get to SNL. No, completely unrelated. I need to get Charlie Sheen. I have a question. No. Is there a chance that you have been in a terrible movie featuring conservatives that I can like just jump on? He was in Food Fight! Hilary Duff? Wayne Brady? Chris Kattan, SNL, Saturday Night Live, the best of Will Ferrell, with Will Ferrell who was in Megamind. Shoutouts to Chris Kattan. Is he good? I hope he's good. I hope, you know what, maybe, you know what?
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
Yeah, shoutouts to Food Fight, by the way. The Wordle? What the hell's a Wordle? The fastest way was, oh, I feel so dumb. Sorry, by the way, Will Ferrell was in Saturday Night Live, the best of Will Ferrell with Charlie Sheen. I feel so dumb. I could have done that. I could have done this one, by the way. Kendra says this is very meat pill today. Okay, what is this? How do I play? The Wordle in 4 tries. The roll is an anagram for the actual solution. Unscramble the anagram or skip to get a hint. After each guess, the color of the tiles will change to show how close you are to the word. Okay. Wait. Kendra. No, you didn't. Kendra. Kendra. How? How? Did you make a website just for this? Kendra, what the hell?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Did you make a website just for this? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Fucking hate. I hate Kendra so much. This I'm so fucking pissed. I'm so fucking pissed. I am so pissed. You're such a piece of crap. I love you, Kendra. I love you. I love you, you goddamn little monster. You little monster, you. Thanks for the clip, punk. My friends. These are my friends. I love that rah bitch. Yep. All right, you got me. You got me, Kendra. You got me. All right. Thank you for coming to the stream. Tomorrow, by the way, I will be playing games with my lovely brother, Plexworth. We'll be playing Guilty Gear. We'll be learning Guilty Gear Strive together, so get excited for that, by the way. Nomi says, Lucy is squishing me, please help. Come on, how big is Lucy? Lucy is like 1 gram. Kendra says, is Guilty Gear the one with the trans character? Yes. Yeah. That's Brisket. It's Brisket, also known as Bridget. Also known as Brisket. Also known as Bridget. But yeah. So that's the plan moving forward. I'll see you all tomorrow for that, and that's it. The secret word of the day, by the way, is coding. Leave a comment on this video with the word coding, and I will heart your comment and maybe even reply to it.
Cool.
And that's it. It's time for me to get out of here. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a lovely rest of your day. Is Ronnie streaming? Ronnie is not streaming today. And I'm pretty sure Nomi is not streaming today. No, like Cena to Nerdle seems kind of interesting. I just, like, it was not a good showing. Okay, Nomi has no streams lined up, so I don't know if Nomi is streaming today. But, you know, keep an eye on my friends. No friends today, just me. Go watch one of the VODs or something, I don't know. Have a lovely rest of your day. I love you all. Take care, friendos. Man, the music stopped perfectly. No, the song had just stopped. Anyways, I'm out of here. Have a lovely rest of your day. And take care. Bye-bye. Beep boop.
Wait, I got an epic dragon, mommy?